You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
You want the best experience without overspending. But between packing, shipping, and potential fees, costs can pile up quickly. That's why SDC provides full transparency and customizable moving packages. Here's some key factors in your moving cost. Origin and destination. The coastal locations are often less expensive to ship from. Shipping size and volume. Mode of shipping. Are you doing sea freight, which is cost effective, or air freight, speedy but pricey? Custom crating, insurance, or storage needs. Additional services like packing, pet transport, or oversized freight. Here are the affordable options with SDC. Groupage, consolidation. Combine your shipments with others going to India. Pay only for the space you are using. Or exclusive containers for clients shipping entire homes or who need added privacy or security. Flexible scheduling. Avoid peak seasons, May to August or December. This can reduce your costs significantly. Our relocation advisors help you plan around price surges. And don't forget about your insurance options. Your belongings matter. SDC offers total loss insurance, which is best for minimal shipments, and all risk cargo insurance. Full coverage, door to door. You can learn more at our website. For an accurate, no obligation quote, use our moving quote tool or speak with a relocation expert today. Call 877-339-0267 or visit us today to make your move to India effortless.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.